How to fix this site can't be reached problem in Windows 11. First open Start and type ncpa.cpl. Right-click on your Ethernet or Wi-Fi adapter and click on Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4 and click on Properties. Select Obtain an IP address automatically. Press OK. Now your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, open Start and type cmd. Right-click Command Prompt and click on Run as Administration. Now type the following command and press Enter. Press Enter. Press Enter. Now restart and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, open Connection tab. Click on LAN setting. Check whether it was checked and press OK. I hope your problem should be fixed. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.